Well, there is no height requirement for nanny jobs, so this is okay, right? If clingy is a superpower, then no one can resist this guy. Do it right, so we can get more snacks. Okay, human? Not every child loves this kind of surprise, but puppies are the one exception. Being the youngest at home doesn't mean you get first dibs on toys. What you see isn't what you think. Bet you're wondering who's walking who.
With a 2-year-old, you don't know.
No, and
But with a
behavioral change happens.
This furry buddy is the perfect helper every new parent needs. After all, parenting isn't easy.
and he went, he took notes.
Companion? You don't need many. Maybe just one good quality friend is enough. If you compare this puppy to his shadow, it wouldn't be wrong. I guess trampolines are more fun when you've got a furry partner in crime. From needing support to giving it, this dog's loyalty is the sweetest. Pups make the best listeners for every little adventure.
Hey Junior, can I get some of that drink? I deserve it for working overtime.
Trust the dog to always be your emotional backup no matter what.
Se tomó todo.
Le encantó tu comida.
Oh, it seems like kids, whether humans or pups, always find a silly way to squabble. Well, their secret to a good night's sleep is simply having each other. Raising children isn't great for dogs. He hasn't been his true self in ages.
Oh no, just stay put. You can take another step when you're older, but not now.
When you find peace being with them, that's the clearest green flag. Forget toys, just give him this cuddle monster and you won't have to worry about him crying. Puppies are your first buddies teaching you that love can be expressed this powerfully. Why do I feel this dog spoils his little owner a lot? How to lose weight without neglecting childcare responsibilities. Finally, it's time to be rewarded for being an awesome big brother. This pooch could win an Oscar for his comedic performances. Seems like the toddler and the dog have their secret escape plan down. You know, they're mini protectors, but bring back maximum love and vigilance. The smallest paws can leave the biggest imprints on your heart. Thanks for watching.